In this video, I'm going to talk about the two types of numeric values, continuous and discrete. Continuous values are always numeric and can take on any value within a range. For example, consider I was tracking my workouts and charted the weight of the kettlebell I used. Maybe I began with a very low weight like 2.5 pounds, and after a few weeks I increased to a more moderate weight of 8 pounds. These values are continuous values because theoretically the weight could be any number above 0 pounds. Age is another example of a continuous value. A baby might be 0.5 years old, while a grandmother might be 90.2 years old. Discrete values, on the other hand, can only take on certain fixed values. Often these values can be thought to be a category or a class. For example, sex can only take on two values, male or female. Numeric values can be discrete as well, such as surveys where you rate your experience as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Yes, these values fall within a range 1 to 7. However, you can't choose 2.8, for example. That is not an option. There is a finite set of values you can choose from.